Hi guys, you are on my YouTube channel Professor for You. I am here with another very important topic. Thanks for subscribing my YouTube channel and liking sharing my videos. Today's topic is how we get success in employment. When we get any job, so there are so many hurdles we face in daily life. If we observe 5-6 things in our life, so we will get success and be a good employee of the company. So the first one is backbiting. So avoid backbiting. If you avoid this, you should get respect in your community and also don't face any hurdle. Number 2, character assassination. So if you avoid the character assassination of your colleagues, of your juniors, or of your senior, your supervisor, your boss, you should remain in your limits and you don't face any hurdle in your daily job. Number 3, adulation. If you dislike the adulation, you do not involve yourself in any adulation activity with your senior or with your juniors. You should not face any hurdle, so you should do your job calmly. So be conscious in this regard. Don't involve yourself in adulation. Number 4, insincerity. When you are doing job anywhere and you are the employee, then you utilize your full services. You put your full energy in the working. So don't be insincere with your boss, with your company, with your duties, with your job. So avoid the insincerity. It may also help you to earn respect in your position, in your office, among your colleagues. Number 5, sycophancy. So please don't be a sycophants person. Don't like to do this because the sycophancy may you face it beneficial for you one day, but with the passage of time, when you expose that you are sycophancy person, then you should feel shame and also you feel losses due to this activity which you done in past. So please don't do this sycophancy. So if you observe these 5 things in daily routine, you should get respect, get the promotions, and also get the dominant position in your colleagues among other all employees. So please always dislike these all things and also other things which are fall in this category. So please always be positive in your attitude. Thanks for watching my video.